How to contact Target support from Target help base. Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide. In order to do so you can just head over and follow out the steps for that, and you should be able to do it easily. So we can directly head over to your browser and directly search for Target help and hit enter. And when we do, we'll be taken to their official site, which is www.target.com with help. So click on help and we'll be taken to this page directly. Now there are a bunch of options. We can scroll down and browse bunch of problems available here, such as tracking our order, managing our account, returns and received, and many bunch of other options. So you can select any of the method. For example, track my order, you can click on it and it will give you accordingly the solution that they have, such as these available. You can just go and check it out and they should provide you with a shortcut. Apart from that, we have the section for have a questions, where they will help you find answers. So you can use the search bar and search your orders, your issue, for example, returns. So just go and click on it. And here are a bunch of options that will suggest. You can look out for contact us or something. You can look out for one of the questions first here and browsing help and scroll down. You can check it out if this is helpful for you. If it's not, you can scroll down and look out for contact them option, such as view our contact options and click on it and then head over to the next page and just go over and scroll it down and contact them. So for example, target.com experience, you can just go and check it out, fixing an issue and follow the process and select a topic, and you can just go over and contact them. Sometimes you can find a call or chat option directly. You can check it out and you can directly find that option. You can look out for this phone numbers as well available. You can just go over and call them directly or use the contact us option directly to chat with them, and that's it. There are a bunch of options, phone number available for different sections. You can just go over and call them and reach the department that you need and access the help center that way. So that is it, everybody. You may follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.